The hurricane winds and the rain and all that still going on. It's so strong it knocked their part of their fence down. Let me see if I can zoom in on this. Yeah, I wonder if their dog escaped through that area. See, the wind's blowing. There's the trees. Yeah, I guess somewhere down south they're having a really bad hurricane. It already took the lives of 11 people. I hear something else. Sounds like it's tearing somewhere. Oh, that's their trash can lid. It's kind of moving because of the wind. Well, I thought I'd just show this real quick for in case they need evidence. Wonder how many people, when something gets tore up, they try to sue Mother Nature. I'm sure there's some dummy out there that tried that. Well, goodbye.